Who want to try? We are giving out gifts for this one. Who want to try? I'm not going to give the microphone to the families alone. I mean, I can bring the microphone to you. Who want to try? Just raise up your hand. I'll bring the microphone to you. Okay, I'm coming, man. I'll join you. The last country he traveled to. Who can tell us? Who can tell us?
Dubai.
What are we going to do, Dubai? Madam, congratulations, you lost. Ma'am, do you want to try what country? Dubai. Okay, are you sure? You went? This one is very easy. This one is very easy. Someone has that already. Who can tell us, ladies and gentlemen, his last born? Okay. Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, I am only going to give out one gift to that lady. Ma'am, please see me after the...
Alh Lanre Shittu is a wonderful human being. He is a very straightforward man. He does not joke with his business. He doesn't... I don't even know how to describe him. He's just a wonderful human being. May Allah grant him a Jannah Fidaus. Iwájú tó kọjú ju ti dá. Ẹ̀yìn tó fílẹ̀ ò ní bàjẹ́ láéláé. Ọlọ́run á wo àwọn ọmọ wọn. Ọlọ́run á dá wọn sí. Gbogbo àwọn ìyàwó wọn lágbára Ọlọ́run. Ẹrù náà fúyẹ́ fún wọn gbé. Ojú òní tì wọ́n lágbára Ọlọ́run. Alhaji, continue to rest in peace. We'll miss you dearly and we all love you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to move very fast. I don't know if Mr. Oluwa will stay here to talk. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, we are getting closer to the end of the event. And permit me to respectfully invite to the microphone someone who's going to do us a honor of giving the board of thanks. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause as we make welcome Mr. Said Shittu. A round of applause for him, please.
Orúkọ mi ni Nimotala Ìdẹ̀ràlúwà Ṣọlọ́lá ní Shittu. Mo fẹ́ sọ ní ṣókí, just in brief, just to top up everything that has been mentioned about my brother. It's as he is. I'm not going to go over it. But one thing I'd like to leave with every one of us, and I'd like you to say it if that is true. Everybody say free. 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 As in F-R-W-E. Egbomi is free. It's completely free. A lot has been said about him. A lot of positive commendations have been made concerning him. His life, his connection, his business, his children, his wife, friends, and families. Perchance you have something negative. It's not perfect. Nobody is perfect. And none of us will ever be perfect. But my comfort is free. It's free from it all. One thing also I'd like to bring to our attention is, perchance, everyone that knows him, and you heard about what happened, and you were thinking, oh, if only I can put the clock back. Oh, if only I knew better. Oh, if only I could have that opportunity to express to this man. How many of us have actually expressed it to him? Perchance you have, perchance you have, perchance I have. That would have given him more strength, more encouragement, more reason to push forward and to push up. My Lord tells me something all the time, and that is my husband. with the letter L, lowercase l. It will say, when people say, do your best and leave the rest, don't leave the rest. Don't do it. Ẹ má ṣe wọ́n bá tó lè ṣe kó fi yókù sílẹ̀. Àti bàtà tí ń ṣe bọ̀ yẹn ń kọ́. Think about it. You've been on something, on a project or an assignment, regardless of what it is, and you've been pushing forward, but there are discouragements. You've been pushing forward, all sorts are happening. That's not when to leave it, you know. You have to do it until God's name is glorified. If everybody, you saw when we laid him to rest. How many of the commendations we are giving, how many of it did he take with him? How many of the properties did he take with him? All the selflessness that he has been to our race, how many of you did he take with him? None. So do what you can now. This is a lesson for all of us. Let's do what we can now. Tomorrow is not ours. It could be my turn tomorrow, I don't know. It could be yours. So perchance, there's something in our mind, because it's the love we have for him. If eternity upon me, that is why we are all here. You see the people you are seeing now, yes? Henri Rawa, let's express that love now. We can at least do that for him, because he's no more. We are only just saying, just what I want to say. A lot has been said about him. But the thing, what gives me comfort is, it's free. It's free. It's free. It's me and you that needs to walk now. Thank you.
This is a celebration of life. We're not mourning. We're just saying thank you to the Almighty Allah for the life He has led, the children He has left behind, the wives, the brothers, the sisters, and including His aged mother. I want to use this opportunity to let us reflect on His life, what it means to everybody, how He has impacted in one of us, either a way or the other. He is no more here today, but when we close our eyes, we see Him and we remember a lot of things He has impacted in us. He has a great value of respect. He always tells me, look, the only thing in life that you will always need to always remember, or for people to remember you for, is to accord each other respect. No matter how small, no matter how big, no matter how little, no matter how bad the person is, the respect for the person in front of you, behind you, shows the kind of person you are. It tells people the kind of life you will lead or you are currently living. He is a man of virtue. He respects everybody, no matter how small, no matter how little, no matter how big you are. He doesn't look down on you. He doesn't look like, no, what can you offer? He listens. He pays attention. He's the one that taught me how to listen more and talk less. You will never see him, when you're having this conversation, you will never see him talk. He will wait for you to finish your conversation, say what you have to say. Then he will bring back everything you have said, like you won't even believe what you were saying. He was paying attention. He pays attention to details. So there are some things you think he's not paying attention to, or he's not listening, or he's not hearing. But he's always saying, whatever you as a person want to do, put God first. Pray about it, then think about it. Then you can start your journey. He has left us with a lot of lessons that we need to emulate, that we need to follow through. And I pray, inshallah, all of us, my younger brothers, my sisters, our mothers, will follow through, inshallah. I believe he's somewhere I have never been. He's somewhere nobody knows. But with whatever he has passed through to us, let us all emulate it and keep it and utilize it very, very carefully. So on this note, I will want to say thank you to everybody that has left their busy schedule to come and commiserate with us, to come here and celebrate with us. I want to say a very big thank you on behalf of the Alh Rasak Lanre Shittu family, and say, may we never repay ourselves with this in the mighty name of Allah. May we continue to prosper, and whatever he has left behind, may he continue to flourish, grow in abundance, and even multiply in multitude. And I want to thank every one of you seated here today. We are not mourning. No, we are not. We are celebrating an icon that has impacted a whole lot of lives. You have listened to a whole lot of testimonies. You have listened to a whole lot of speeches. You have listened to a whole lot of tributes. We are not mourning. We are celebrating. And I will also want to say this. He would love us not to cry, but to celebrate him in a very, very subtle way. In a way that it's not going to be like, we're making too much of, making it too much flashy and all that. That is why we are here today, to just celebrate him in a little way. He will appreciate more. Prayers, and prayers is what we need for him right now, as we do not know where he is or where he is going. But inshallah, he is resting on the bosom of the Lord. So I want to say one more time, thank you to everybody, our families, our well-wishers, our friends that have come from far and away, home and abroad. We, the Lanre Shittu family that he has left behind, thank you from the bottom of our heart, and say, may we not see this type of thing again. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, and to take us further or to round up this session, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take out the microphone. Sheikh Ali Abuaka Gaba to do us the honor of rounding this.
ربنا إنك عفو كريم تحب العفو فاعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. الفاتحة. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. آمين. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد كما صليت على سيدنا إبراهيم وعلى آل سيدنا إبراهيم وعلى آل سيدنا إبراهيم في العالمين إنك حميد مجيد. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون والسلام على المرسلين.
All right, a quick one, ladies and gentlemen. I'm asked to do this announcement. We checked